My project today is going to be restoring all of the exterior black plastic on my E53 X5. Now the good thing is these instructions work on any car, because that's one thing that we all have. We all have exterior plastics. Now what I've noticed is on my 2001 E53 X5 is that all the black plastic, the door guards and the lower bumper sections are starting to gray out a little bit. They show sun fade, and that only makes sense. It's a 19-year-old car. And I love my E53 X5. It's in fantastic condition mechanically and physically. So being able to restore something like this is going to be just that one visual notch up to make it look that much better. But again, these instructions work on any car, so you can use this on no matter what brand or make or model that you have. Now, I reached out to Sky's the Limit Car Care. They're a fantastic company with CarPro and other products on what was the best way to restore my plastics. And so I've got the kit from them, which is the whole 9 yards of what you need. Now, as always, I have linked in the description below everything that you're going to need to be able to do this same project. Also, while you're there, make sure to click the alarm bell and the little subscribe button so you get all the notifications on my upcoming videos, because I always have more projects in the work. So let's get out to the car, let's take a look at what it looks like now, and let's work through the process. All right, so I'm gonna take the top rails off. I think it's gonna make it easier to clean them and stain them back black. And plus they're easy to take off. So you're gonna wanna use a pick tool. There's a little rubber cover that covers all three. One, two, the middle one and the end one. You're just going to use a pick tool to pull this cover back open. And as you can see, that should be a T40 Torx bit. So I've got my socket. We'll just put it in here, just like that. Okay. And then I'm gonna take this off. So these are really easy to get off, which I think really is the best way of doing this. Now you could probably take your side trim off too, but I'm not going to, simply because it's put down by adhesive and I would have to use fresh adhesive to take it down. Plus I'm just gonna use painter's tape to mask all that off. So prep work on this is really, I think it's gonna take the longest out of all of this. It's just prep work on all of this. So pull all 3 bolts per side, and then I'm going to take these top rails off and set them aside. I'll show you the cleaning process and everything we're going to do. We're going to walk through masking off all the rest of the car. Now, I've also washed the car really nicely, so it's clean and ready to go, but I've got plastic cleaner, and we're going to go through every single step along the way to get this taken care of. One additional thing I wanted to show really quickly is these little rubber kind of protective footing pieces just lift off.